Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can create pamphlet or brochure on Google Docs. So it's super simple, just going to open the Google Chrome and then select the grid icon here and scroll up, select Docs and select blank document to start a new document. So to make a pamphlet or brochure on Google Docs, just um, do some page setting, go to File option and select Page Setup. So you can select Landscape for orientation and set 0.54 all margins. 0.5 top, bottom, left and right, and just click OK. And after that, go to Format and then just going to columns, select more option, and just for number of column, just select 3 and adjust for the spacing that 1.5. Just click apply. So now 3 columns are ready, and just write your content here and add more elements like images or add the background. So you can see I have made before, and just going to click file and download as a PDF format here. Just click PDF document here. Yeah, so basically, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.